What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Back by popular demand. Everybody's been requesting that I do these repo videos, so I ain't gonna do a whole bunch of talking. Let's get right into it. Let's go.
So dude hopped in the car.
Told y'all, they still told you in the car, man. I know they not supposed to. Look, dude's clearly in the car, guys.
You gonna have to take him with that bitch.
Right. Exactly. Dude's back here. He's still gonna tow that one.
Yeah, he was quick. He swooped in like an eagle.
Bro, he literally
He swooped in like
while he in the car.
I'm talking about as soon as he went to go pay for the gas, he eating.
That's crazy.
It wasn't even 2 minutes. I kid you
You
not.
gotta make no car payment.
Gotta make payments. That's what I'm saying. I don't know why people think their car won't get repo, guys. I mean, even if you get in the car, like I said, I think it's illegal to tow when somebody is actually sitting in the car like that. I don't think you're able to do that.
But seriously, keeping this car,
Hellcat.
man. They won't even get out of the car, y'all. Man, this real shit out here, man. This real hood shit, man. They won't get out of the car, man. They don't block the out, man.
That's crazy.
Say, man. Trigger, man, tell them TV, man. Y'all like, share, and subscribe, man. Nah, this serious, man. This serious shit. She getting recalled at the gas station.
That's
Gonna get out of the car, man. Like for shit show, man. What's going on here, man? We got laws every goddamn word too around here. This ain't all the law. Look, they got that bumper to bumper. I ain't playing with this. Say, man, what's going on, man? Nigga is not getting out of this car, man. It's not getting out of this car, man. Y'all got this up, man. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Only in Dallas, Texas, man. Just on the motherfucking thing, man, and ain't getting out of the car, man. What y'all talking about? What y'all talking about? Yeah. This proud about this car, man. So we got police everywhere, man. Police all up there, man. Trying to get out of the car, man. They ain't trying to let it go, man. They ain't trying to let it go, man. Like, this shit some funny shit, man.
You know, guys, it's not really funny. I mean, it's an unfortunate situation. Like I said, we just don't know people's situation. But a lot of times, man, these guys be buying these Hellcats and stuff, knowing they cannot afford them. Especially when it's time to do maintenance, they got to pick between whether they're going to do the maintenance or they're going to make the payment or they're going to pay the insurance. And what happens, they end up getting a repo because it's just too expensive to maintain those Hellcats, especially if you don't have a really good paying job. A lot of these cats be living at home with their parents and they co-sign for them to get these cars, not realizing what it costs to maintain a Hellcat. Trust me, I know.
No, we're here to get the key. That's it. You're $1,900 behind. You haven't paid the car note.
No. You can't take it because we have a child that needs transportation.
And I completely understand that, but that's something that y'all need to take up with the finance.
No.
Listen, that's our boss right there. Listen to me. I'm gonna need you to calm the down. Listen to me.
Calm down. I'm
gonna tell you to calm down. I get that, but that's our boss right there, okay? And she checks everything. This morning, that is exactly what she did. And as of this morning, there was no payment. So if you had a problem, you need to call finance. Well then, so then you need to take up with them.
Right now.
Well, we ain't got time for that. We just need the key. Are we getting the key or not?
You're not getting the.
Not getting the key?
Yeah, with my dead fucking body.
Drag it out. Of your dead body?
I mean, we
Why you
can
gotta say
drag it
that?
out. It's already on here.
That's y'all. If y'all want the extra charge, but we just need the key. As simple as that. Y'all already can't pay $1,900.
Might as well make it whatever you guys tack on to it.
Y'all just said y'all had a child. Y'all said y'all had a child. How y'all child gonna get tripped? Well, he gonna ride his bike to school?
I guess.
Yeah. What they mean he gonna ride the bike to school? That's crazy, man. Once it get to this point, you might well just get a car up. You know what I'm saying? And you can always go and get it back. You can negotiate with the bank and try to pay a lesser amount to get your car back. But sitting there arguing with these folks, man, does not serve any purpose, man. They are not going to lower the car. They're not going to just give you the car back.
And a couple in San Francisco accusing a tow truck driver of trying to hook their car while they were driving. Video shows the tow truck repeatedly trying to hook their vehicle while stopped at an intersection. A couple able to get away. The tow truck chasing them for several blocks. They say they're planning to file a police report. The tow company has not commented.
That's a repo for sure. He trying to repo that dog in the middle of the street. That's crazy.
Y'all ever wondered what these cars are with these cameras on the back of them cruising parking lots?
Oh, wow.
They out scanning tags, fixing to repo your shit.
That's crazy. Oh,
that's what those cameras are. She cruising the parking lot. That way she can call her repo guy to come pick up your stuff. So if you're at a parking lot, people, and your car's up for repo or been used in a crime, you better back it in.
I always knew those cars were reading people's tags, but I did not know repo companies use those cars. I mean, it makes sense. They always searching for repos, man. People always owe money on their cars. That's a business you definitely should get into if you want to make some money. It's dangerous, but I'm pretty sure those folks make a lot of money repoing cars, especially these days. There's so many people that's behind on their car notes and stuff right now. If you got a tow truck, you can make a killing. Made it easy. They made that repo way too easy. Never been. My thing is, why park the car in front of your house? You know that's the first place they gonna check. Then your neighbors gotta see you getting your car repo. It's embarrassing. I guess he figured parking it behind that other car was gonna stop him. Nope. These dudes know what they doing, man.
Oh my God, bro. Oh hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
That's crazy, bro. There's always somebody recording, man. I don't care where you at, what's going on. Somebody always whipping their camera out.
Yo, you want to see something cool? No? Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Again, jumping in won't save you. Once it's hooked, it's over. Let me hold that.
No, it's too late, Ryan. You're taking too damn long. Move, going home. Get in the car. Because you don't listen. You're taking your fucking time. Get in the car. You gotta move so I can fucking put the bump on.
I gotta get up.
Go ahead, move. Back up. Go forward. Hello?
Hello? You're on the phone with the police right now.
Fuck, you gonna press my leg?
I'm not moving nothing. I'm not doing nothing, bro.
Yo, you're crushing my leg.
You're not touching him, bro. You're not touching him, bro. You're on camera. You can see.
Y'all got to
No, we not. You drove both that boom. It's all recorded. I recorded the whole thing. You did this to your own car. You caused way more damage for what? Like, look at all the damage you caused here. For what?
But there it is, guys. I didn't make this video super long, guys. I realized that some people just be skipping through the video. So I'm still getting used to doing these repos and doing these reaction videos, guys. So I'm trying to get better and better with each upload, and I'm trying to learn different methods to keep you guys engaged and entertained. So new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate everybody showing love and supporting the channel. There's a lot of people doing this stuff now on YouTube. It's a lot of reaction channels. So I really appreciate my subscribers and people that tune into my videos and my channel. It's much appreciated. So have a happy holidays. I appreciate y'all watching. I see y'all on the next one. Peace.